everyone, welcome to yet another video of engineering economics. In this video we are going to discuss about functions of banking system. So far we have discussed about what is meant by bank, what are the different types of banks available in India, and what are the functions of RBI, that is the Central Bank of India, that we have discussed earlier. Now and then we have already also seen that what is the banking system structure in India. So discussing all these things comes make us to think that what is the actual functions of this banking system. Of course we have already discussed in the first video itself, the function of a bank is to be a saver and be a investor or borrower. So people will come for depositing their amount and people will come to bank to seek some loans. So for them they will act as a saver and an investor or borrower respectively. So this is the basic function of a bank. But apart from that, what are the boundaries that it has or it serves as a part of the functions that we'll see in this video. So the primary function of bank is that it performs two functions. First is accepting the deposits, and secondary functions are giving loans and many more. So we will discuss one by one in detail. The primary functions of a bank. A very basic yet important function of all the commercial banks is mobilizing public funds. So we know that some people have amount in surplus and some may not. So the surplus people who have surplus amount will come to the bank and deposit the amount. So as a bank, it will make that stocked money to mobilize across the public, so thereby providing safety to their savings, and also make the people who doesn't have money to get that fund. So bank accepts different types of deposits from public, such as savings deposit, fixed deposits, current deposits, and recurring deposits. Now we will see what are they one by one. So first is savings deposit. It encourages the habit of saving among the public. So it is more suitable for salary and wage earners. So the rate of interest is low for saving deposits, and there is no restrictions on the number and the amount of withdrawals. The account for saving deposits can be opened in a single name or in a joint names. The depositors just need to maintain a minimum balance which varies across different banks. Of course, in these days, the saving deposits in different banks, they say that they can maintain zero balance, right? Also, they provide ATM, debit card, checkbooks, internet banking facilities, and everything. Okay. So the candidates can know about the type of checks at the linked pages as well. Next, fixed deposits, also known as term deposits. Money is deposited for a fixed tenure. No withdrawal money during this period is encouraged, and also in case depositors withdraw before maturity, the banks will levy a penalty for premature withdrawals. As a lump sum amount is paid at one time for a specific period, the rate of interest is high, but it varies with the period of deposits. For example, if you make a fixed deposit for 1 year, the rate of interest will be different, and also if the deposit is for a longer tenure, then the rate of interest will be very high also. And current deposits. These deposits are open for businessmen, just like saving deposits for the laborers or wage earners. The current deposits is for businessmen. The account holders get an overdraft facility on this account. These deposits act as a short-term loan to meet urgent needs. So every businessman will definitely have current deposits. And recurring deposits, as the name implies, recurring, something that happens at a regular interval of time. So recurring deposits are a certain sum of money is being deposited at the bank at a regular interval. The money withdrawn only after the expiry of a certain period, just like your fixed deposits. A higher rate of interest is paid on recurring deposits, which provides a benefit of compounded rate of interest, and also it enables the depositors to collect a big sum of money at the time And also the type of account is being operated by salaried persons and petty traders, because a salaried persons will have a particular amount of salary being credited every month, so they will be uh, very easy to these kind of recurring deposits. So these are the basic primary functions of a bank, that is accepting deposits, and these are the different kinds of deposits. Now let's see what are the secondary functions. The secondary functions involve transfer of funds between one branch to another branch or one place to another, and then periodic collections of amounts like salary, pensions, and on behalf of the client, they will collect amount from different peoples. And periodic payments, they make periodic payments of rent, electricity bills. So if we link our bank account to a particular person or to particular company, except like that, they will take the amount from the bank itself whenever whenever it has to be credited to their account, or if the particular time comes, they will debit the account, they will debit the amount. So periodic payments are now being enhanced, and there are many portals that allows these periodic payments also. So every time a person need not to go and check for the date to at which we have to pay the rent, at which we have to pay so and so bills, etc. So if we link that bank to that particular concerned people or to the concerned organization where to whom we have to pay, then they will periodically take the amount, and the bank will take care of it. And they also do collection of checks, and the banks will maintain the portfolio of the clients. So it undertakes the activity of purchase and sell the shares and debentures of the clients. And also they do other agency functions like executors, trustee, administrators, advisors. They act as these kind of roles in order to be a representative of its client of other institutions. And also it does some utility functions also, like issuing letter of credit, traveler's check, and safe custody of valuables, important documents, securities. So they provide lockers also. And also they provide customers with facilities for foreign exchange dealings, underwriting of shares and debentures, dealing in foreign exchanges, social welfare programs, project reports, and they provide standing guarantee on behalf of its customers. So these are the secondary functions of a bank. Is very versatile, it is very diverse, that it varies depending upon the customers and their interactions with the bank. So they have a number of facets in the secondary functions of the banks. I hope in this video we have a clear explanation about the primary functions and secondary functions of the bank. So in the next video we will discuss about what is the main difference between a commercial bank and the Reserve Bank of India. Thank you for listening. Happy learning.